All right, guys, it's Angelo Christian with another great edition of Real Estate Insider, and today we're going to be banging out hard money loans. Everyone wants to know what the heck is a hard money loan, and today I want to come to you guys and explain to you exactly what is a hard money loan, and we offer them and want to talk to you about the opportunities with them, explain the benefits and the requirements, and when it makes sense to actually use a hard money loan. So basically, in the mortgage lending space, there's different types of loans. There's, your conventional loans, your portfolio loans, your government loans like FHA, VA, USDA, and then there's something called hard money loans. And hard money loans are loans that are made by private lenders, all right? So they're not made by banks like Wells Fargo or Chase or, institutional type of lenders. They're made by private lenders. Generally, the funds are pooled together by private investors, usually very wealthy family offices, hedge funds, wealthy individuals, and they pool their money together to create a mortgage fund. And then from that, they actually will lend out the money to either consumers or businesses for residential and commercial purposes. And then they'll sell those mortgage trust deeds to investors. And then that whole circle is how it works from the investor standpoint all the way down to the consumer. And generally, the idea behind it is we've closed several hard money transactions. I'll show you some of the clients that we've actually helped, and you may have seen them on our Instagram or our Facebook feed as well. But the idea behind it is that, people that they can't get access to, conventional or institutional type money, they will seek hard money loans to get help. And it has a great purpose in society. I've helped a lot of people save their businesses and save their houses with hard money loans. And so sometimes, it's used short term with either investors for fix and flips or for businesses or for retail strip centers. So it definitely has a purpose in society. And like I said, we've helped a lot of people. Generally, it's more for short term use. And then later on, the loan can be either the property can be flipped or sold or refinanced into a permanent mortgage. So usually the main purpose for a hard money loan is, let's say that you're an investor and you need funds for fix and flips, whether you're trying to buy, residential properties and you need funds to purchase the property and then get cash for renovations. You'll normally take out a 1-year hard money loan to get the funds to purchase the property. Your credit score doesn't really matter, right? They don't really look at your credit score so much. They really don't verify your income. They really don't care about your income. What they care about is the equity in the property. That's the key driver with hard money loans is the equity in the property. Typically, on a hard money loan, they're going to lend up to about 60 to 75% to the loan to value. All right. So what that means is that if the house is or the property is worth, $1 million, they're typically going to lend, up to $600,000 to $750,000 maximum on a purchase or a refinance. Some hard money lenders are up to 50% loan to value, right? And so that means that if you're buying a property, you normally will have to put, 25 to 35% down. Credit score doesn't matter. There's no income verification. If you're doing a refinance transaction, then they're typically going to, you wouldn't put money down because you have equity in your property. So let's say you had $1 million apartment complex and it was free and clear. We could get you cash out of $650,000 to $750,000, right? And we don't verify your income. We don't verify your credit. You can do an interest-only program, so you just have to pay the interest. And you can do a loan program on a 30-year amortization. But typically, the interest rates are going to be anywhere from 8 to 12%, depending on, what type of collateral, what type of real estate is it? Is it a medical treatment facility? Is it a casino? Is it a restaurant? Is it a pizza shop? Is it an apartment complex? All these things matter. Where is it located? Is it in a major metropolitan city? That's less risk. If it's in a rural area, you'll probably pay a higher interest rate or less loan to value, right? So these things matter. The condition. Sometimes we'll order an appraisal, or we can order something called a broker price opinion, which is a BPO. And it's where a real estate broker will give their opinion of the value of the property. Sometimes we'll use that in lieu of an appraisal. And a broker price opinion is usually about $400 to $500. An appraisal on a commercial property is anywhere from $2 to $3 grand. An appraisal on a house is about $400 to $500. And so, and basically, those are the main things with a hard money loan. So, and we do them all over the country. So whether you're trying to buy an apartment complex in Washington, or you're trying to refinance your restaurant in Orlando, or you have a grocery store. We just closed on one of our clients here in Austin. We refinanced his grocery store and saved him from foreclosure. The bank, his own bank, denied him. We got him the cash to pay off his house and keep his business. Give him $100,000 in cash to keep his business afloat. You saw our other client 2 weeks ago. We closed on her in Miami, a 20-unit apartment complex. It was worth $1.9 million. She got $1 million in cash to do renovations. She's fixing up, doing a facelift to all the units, and it's going to boost the value of her apartment complex. She's cash flowing on that thing like 20 grand a month. So those are the type of things that you can do with hard money. Whereas, and in a lot of these cases, a lot of my customers had credit scores that were 500, 530, right? And we didn't even have to verify their income. So it was really cool because we were able to close like in 7-8 days. They got their money, and they're able to help to accomplish their goals in the short term and the long term by getting access to the capital that they needed to accelerate their business. So that's the benefit of a hard money loan, is you get fast cash. You're not tied down to it. You can refinance or sell the property anytime. There's no credit score requirement, and there's no income requirement. See, like a regular loan, like through a bank, you have to go through the scrutiny of verifying your credit, verifying your income, and it takes several months. There's thousands of pages of paperwork. You get a better interest rate. The interest rates are, usually a lot lower. But with a hard money loan, the benefit is fast cash, fast capital, and it gives you the ability, the agility to move quickly in and out of the real estate if you need to. If it's a hot market like it is right now, you need to take down a property quickly. You don't have time to mess around, right? So you want to quickly sell or unwind that property or purchase it. That's what the hard money's there for. And we do it a lot with bridge loans. If you're trying to get from one loan or one property to the next, you need access to money. The hard money loan works great as a bridge. That's normally what we'll do. Like, with some of these properties, like the one that we did, the grocery store, he can stay on it for 30 years, or if he wants to refinance after he makes timely payments, he can drop the interest rate. The interest rate on that was like 12%, but he can refinance it in 6 months to a year and get him down to like 9% to lower his payments, But we took care of his problem right now by getting him the cash that he needed to pay off his house and give him the cash to operate his business. And later on, we can also even put him in a better financial situation by dropping his interest rate even further. So those are the main takeaways with hard money loans, whether you're looking to purchase, refinance, fix and flip, bridge, hard money loan. Call Angelo Christian. I love to help you. I'm a specialist with hard money lending all over the country. My number directly, that's the other thing, you work with me directly. I'm a professional. I've been doing this for over 15 years, helped over 13,000 people with their financial goals and done over $1.2 billion in lending. Call me directly at 832-431-6331. I'd love to help you with accomplishing your financial goals and your credit, whether you're trying to buy an apartment complex, purchase your new home if you're a veteran or a first-time buyer, millennial, or you have a business you want to cash out on. I'd love to help you, get you the money that you need and deserve. Please follow us, share this with all your friends and family on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Please add us to click on the bell below so you can get all of our latest updates and feeds from YouTube. We're trying to, right now, we're growing our YouTube following fast. It's amazing how fast we're growing. We're very thankful for all of our followers out there. Keep following us for great information. If you need help and you're trying to buy a house and you want to look at a hard money loan, call me at 832-431-6331. My name is Angelo Christian. I love to help you in any way that I can with getting you the fast funding to be able to purchase or refinance. Or you can click on the link below. You can sign up right there. There's no application fee. There's no deposit. There's no contract. You don't pay anything to get pre-approved with me. We can get you your funding letter if you're looking to buy a property. If you're an investor or you're trying to cash out, you can click on that link below to get pre-approved. Or you can give me a call directly at 431-6331. I'd love to help you with our hard money loan program. My name is Angelo Christian. Thank you so much. Again, click on the bell on the YouTube channel so you can get all of our latest updates. And please follow us and share this with your friends and family or any of your colleagues or investor friends. We'd love to help them with their funding goals. Y'all take care and peace out. Thank you for checking out Angelo Christian. Bye-bye.